What's up, stupid? So today we're gonna play the opening riff to Drive Fast, Take Chances by Acid King. I'll play it first and then I'll teach you. Well, I'll try to teach you. You probably won't learn, but this is how it's played. It's played in drop D. So that's it. Now, what you're gonna do is it's the tuning's in drop D. All right, so you're gonna want to tune it like that, and then So we're gonna start out. You got your strings. You got your big string, your littler string, or your big string, littler string. So you've got your D string, D. D, A, D, G, B, E. That's why they call it drop D, because the two Ds are the same. So, so what you're going to want to do is you start on the second string. I like to have my fingers on these frets. You can see them right here. So you're going to take your fingers and put them on these frets on the third and the first on this string. This one, okay, and then you're gonna start with 1, hammer on to 3. Okay, so 1, hammer on 3. Just, you can see right there I'm playing this. Okay, so 1, okay, and then hammer on to 3. Okay, so there you go. Make sure the string is fretted the whole way. Okay. So you're gonna, okay, so it's 1, hammer on 3, pluck 3. Okay. All right. I know it's really, really hard and you're probably struggling with this. Okay. So now we're gonna pluck 3 a couple more times. All right. And then we're gonna go 1 again, and then, you guessed it, 3. Okay, so it'll sound like this. But then you kind of wiggle the string around a little bit, okay? You're doing this with your pinky, or, well, you're probably not good enough to do it with other fingers, so do it with your pinky. So, here we go. Okay, that's cool. So you're gonna do that. And then next, you're gonna go down a string and hit that little first fret. So on this string, you're gonna hit this one. Okay, so. Okay, so that's where we're gonna end up. You're not supposed to hit that note yet. So after that little, then you're gonna go 1, 3, down a string, 1. And I mean, I guess some people would call that going up a string. I don't really care. So you're gonna go, okay, so watch what I'm doing, okay, with your eyes. Okay, so we're gonna go, and then what comes next? Okay, so then we're gonna play it backwards, basically. So it's, and then I like to go up a string to 3, 1. So we're gonna go 1, 3, down a string, 1, up a string, 3, 1, 3, up a string, 3, 1. Okay, pretty easy, right? Okay, and when you're done, when you're ready to jump in, since we're in drop D and that's how guitar playing works, we're going to just bar the whole thing, but only play the top 3. and then we just play in the same order. Okay, so it'll sound like this. Okay, so you're gonna play through this like 4 times or 8 times, or 12 or 16, depending on how groovy you want the song to be. So it's. Okay, so you're doing that a couple times. It's really easy. It's like hot cross buns, especially if you've been watching this video and you can see where my fingers are going. This is really easy. Okay, so we'll play through it a couple times, whatever, and then we go to. Okay. So you want to really slam that down. It's like a hammer on. If you've been watching, you'll see how easy it is. Okay, so really like hammer. Okay, all right. One more time so you can watch this. Okay, put this. We'll get this angle a little bit better. Okay. Really doing a lot for you guys here. All right, here we go. You ready? So that's how it should look. It's really not that hard to do. You really should have been able to figure it out already. But, that's okay. I guess guitar is kind of hard for people. But, maybe you'll get it one day, kid. Yeah, so, anyway, that's enough shredding for tonight. We'll come back later. Maybe he'll pick up a thing or two.